I am Caillou. Right now, I will eat 3 burgers.
Oh no, I'm fat.
Caillou, how dare you eat 3 burgers and got fat? You're grounded for 145667000003246 years. Go to your room right now.
Nulu.
Hi, I'm Dora. Right now, I will talk smack to a Japanese guy.
Hi. I'm Frank. What's your name?
Speak English, you dumb fuck.
I don't speak English. I speak Japanese. Can you speak Japanese?
You know what? I will say something in Japanese.
Fuck you. You son of a bitch. Go fuck yourself.
Dora Marquez, how dare you talk smack to my friend? That's it. I will call your dad.
What?
Oh. Dora, how dare you talk smack to a Japanese guy? You know that it is bullying. You are grounded for 13456725555500000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000
What?
Remember Caillou, Dalu, and Rosie to behave yourself at your grandparents' house while we were gone.
Okay, Dad, we will.
That's good. Goodbye.
So Caillou, Dalu and Rosie, what would you like to do?
Can we play with Rosie?
Sure.
Let's squash Rosie.
What?
Next, turn the bathroom dirty. Then, transform Rosie into an MORRB.
No.
What is going on, and why was Rosie different and crying like a baby? And why was the bathroom a mess?
Well, we messed up the bathroom and we tortured Rosie.
Oh. Caillou and Dalu, how dare you? That's it. I will call your parents.
Okay class, right now we will do math.
Excuse me, Mrs. Colgate. Can I use the bathroom?
Sure Dora.
Ha. I'm gonna turn people naked.
Dora, what are you doing in my office? Oh my god, I'm naked.
Dora, what are you up to?
Ha.
Oh my god, I'm naked. What? Hef oh my.
Yay! I've made everyone naked. What the?
Dora. How dare you made us naked. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
We will call your parents. Dora, I can't believe that you made everyone at school naked. That's it. You are grounded for 1466754354656000000000000 years.
Go to your room right now.
What are?
Come on kids. It's story time. Dora doesn't look too happy, I wonder why. Today's story is called Dora Joins the Circus.
William, I've just dreamed about a tiger. Dad is going to take me to the circus and he promised. Oh shit, I forgot to brush my teeth. Hey look Dad, I've got dressed all by myself.
I can see that. And you did a good job, but it is so early.
But, I don't want to be late for the circus.
The circus? Oh no, Dora, that's not today. The circus isn't until tomorrow.
No, I want it today. What are? I just got all dressed. It is to be today.
Dora, shut the fuck up. We will go there tomorrow. Also, why not you can help me fix breakfast?
No, I don't want to. Shitty old car. Shitty, 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 shitty. Wah. Wah.
Dora, how dare you throw a fit? That's it. You are grounded for 15656823220239460600000 years. You are not going to the circus tomorrow. Now go to your room.
What are?
The next day, Dora's parents went to the circus without Dora because she's grounded, and they had a great time without her. The end.
I told you Caillou not to join my team, because you suck and you didn't listen and I erased your name on the list.
Shut the fuck up. Because I want to do stuff whenever I want, Leo.
Well, you suck because you always get into trouble and always sneaking to Chuck E. Cheese's a lot of times.
GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR There. This is what you get for not allowing Maine to be on your team.
Holy shit. Leo. Are you okay?
No, because Caleb punched me.
Miss Martin, come here right now.
Oh my god. What is it, Jason and Jeffrey?
Kalo just punched Leo.
Kalo, we do not hit and punch any classmates at school. That's it. Go to the principal's office.
So Kalo, what brings you here?
I've punched Leo.
Kalo, we do not punch classmates at school. That's it. You're expelled. Go home now.
Caleb, I can't believe that you punched Leo. You are a bully, and you're grounded for 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 years.
Go to your room, this instant, young man.